Good day, beautiful people, and welcome back to the channel. Yes, we had a spectacular surfing week. The waves were... But first of all, I want to thank the surfing community. You guys are great. Remember last week I talked about Liam that lost his GoPro? Can you believe it? A surfer found it and took it back, and Liam got his GoPro back. So, man, I'm so proud of the surfing community giving that GoPro back to the kid. He told me he's going to chain it now to his surfboard. He was so happy that he got it back. Thanks again for the guys. I don't know who you were, but your heart is in the right place. Love it. Magix wax from jbay.com, Garth Roberts. This is the white one I used. The white one is softer than the green. I call it this, well, he called it the sunlight soap one. It's got a unique smell on it. And the white is actually good for cold water. This white is a bit too soft. Oh, and it was curling up my hair in the inside of my legs because I was surfing with baggies. But this one is a much better one for this warm water. And I could use both his wax with booties and barefoot. So if you please support Garth, you can get this wax from jbay.com and a shop. Keep the stoke, brew. See you in the water. Whoa, I just got that WhatsApp from Doug. I was busy editing Tertius Son's wave there. We're from Nias. Oh, what a wave. And I got this bad news. I hope it's a rumor and not true. Oh man, I was looking so forward to this. I can't believe it's true. So let's hope they don't go ahead with and cancelling the J-Bay Open. That will be horrible. I got some black and white t-shirts. A friend of mine in Belito is making them. So if you want some, contact me and I'll organize you one. They're going to be only $250. And when you buy one, I'll give you a sticker with for your car. And it's black and white. The black is, you use that when you go to McDonald's and that, or go to the beach, or you're eating a sandwich, then you can spill on it. And the white one is if you go to Nia's restaurant or the Fish Wave, that's your smart t-shirt. Don't drop tomato sauce on that. See oaks and water and keep the stoke. Love you guys. I hope this is not true. I bought a big pack of stickers. If it's, what am I going to do with all the stickers? See you guys on water. Love you. Bye.